Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel by my reaction once again. I hope you all are doing fine. I'm doing extremely well. So guys, my today's video, requested video from one of my Indonesian viewer, who requested me to react to a video titled Tanha, Papua, paradise for birds. So guys, let me give you a little bit information about this video that Indonesia's province of Papua and West Papua on the island of New Guinea make up the land of Papua or Tanah Papua in the Indonesian language. Guys, let me tell you, this region supports remaining tropical forests and is home to nearly half of Indonesia's biodiversity. And guys, over 600 species of birds are found here, including 27 birds of paradise species, many of which live nowhere else on earth. So this is the only place, which is Papua, where you will find such amazing species of birds. So let's see these different species of birds today in this video. So guys, I'm extremely excited to start my reaction on this video, so stay tuned till the end if you want to explore this video with me. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to see future notifications. So guys, let's begin the video. We'll talk about this video later on. So let's begin the video. Oh, you can hear the birds sound. Oh wow, densely, dense forest. Well, guys, just look at this bird. Wow. Heaven of birds. Red bird of paradise. This is the red bird. Magnificent bird of paradise. Magnificent beautiful bird. Oh wow, just look at that, blue slaty kind of sparkly color. Wired bird of paradise. Okay, this is western parotia. Just look at these birds, guys. I haven't seen one of them ever before this video. Wow, wow, wow. This was just beauty. Just look at this place, not less than any heaven.
Indonesia's land of Papua.
Tanha, Papua.
Consisting of two provinces, Papua supports one of the only remaining large tropical forests in the world. With the Amazon and Congo basins, these forests serve as the lungs of the planet. And in Papua, they are the lifeblood of the people.
Dan yang terutama yang membuat saya sangat terkesan itu karena hutan di Papua itu memberi banyak kehidupan untuk masyarakat di Papua. Jadi sumber kehidupan mereka itu sebetulnya di hutan.
Papua's geography contains a variety of ecosystems.
Mangroves,
forests, and mountains that supports roughly half of Indonesia's biodiversity.
Wow.
Over 600 species of birds are found in Papua, including the birds of paradise, many of which live nowhere else on Earth.
Dan untuk saya burung di Papua, apalagi cendrawasih, itu sangat
beautiful,
biasa, sangat unik, sangat cantik, nggak bisa dilupakan.
The birds of paradise are icons of Papua's biodiversity. Their unparalleled beauty has made them a symbol of international renown.
Ya, burung yang itu boleh dorang selalu suka untuk cari-cari di dekat kampung.
Kita dengar ini suara toh, kita dengar suara kalau kita jalan pagi dengar suara langsung kita jalan pasti apa suara itu baru ketemu ini dia punya sarang.
Mokwam area,
Global
okay.
interest in Papua's bird life is leading to increased opportunity for wildlife tourism, bringing newfound economic benefits
okay.
to local communities.
Burung-burung yang seperti kakatua raja, kakatua putih, rangkong,
magnificent yang dia
just look at this bird, this,
main di tanah.
you know.
Kita jalan lagi ketemu ini parotia, oh ini
Wow,
main parotia.
just, you know, magnificent beauties. These birds are just, you know,
burung yang kita akan panggil
so
khususnya malam itu
beautiful. I have no words. And just look at this forest.
Banyak selukai lewa utang no sop tu kai memnya mem tuma wencap tuma arane no ne bisa punya tumi tia ice punya tun cita dinjam tice punya tu hong tu no ko indamnya tu hong tu no kai ice
From the rest of the world.
But these forests are no longer isolated from the rest of the world. The demand for timber, palm oil, minerals, and gas has arrived. The future existence of Papua's resources and biodiversity and the communities that rely on them depend on the choices made today.
Lovely. Papua, you know, it's just beautiful.
The governments of Papua and West Papua are bringing together non-government, community, academic, and religious partners to create a sustainable pathway for development.
That's food. The trees are the food to birds.
Jangan
You should
potong ini,
not
jangan
destroy
tebang
them.
kayu itu karena guna untuk burung untuk bawa uang.
There are plenty of examples of ecosystems destroyed by overexploitation.
To develop in a way.
With its forests still intact, Papua has the opportunity to develop in a way that allows both its people and its environment to thrive.
Keindahan yang di Raja Ampat khususnya di Saporgren itu sangat indah sekali.
Recent successes in the marine environments of the
undeceiving.
Raja Ampat region of West Papua show that development and conservation can go hand in hand. Within the forests, local leaders are organizing their communities with similar goals.
Jadi yang guna untuk kita ada 3 hal yang lebih penting untuk kita. 1, hutan. 2, konservasi. 3, pariwisata.
Yang penting kita jaga burung baik-baik. Mereka lihat ya uang itu langsung. Ini mereka kasih di ini kita punya kampung.
The forests, the birds, and the communities make this region unique and irreplaceable.
So guys, this was this beautiful video, Tanha, Papua, paradise of birds. So I will say in real sense, this place, Papua, is a paradise for birds. This place is one of the most, you know, environment friendly, I will say, place in whole Indonesia. I will say I have not even seen one species of these birds in India, to be honest, and of course they are nowhere else on earth except Papua, Indonesia. Guys, I will say that those birds look like that they came out of a fantasy, and you know, I will say that the title is very apt indeed. Guys, I will say that global interest in Papua's you know, bird life is increasing. Wildlife tourism, and you know, bringing newfound economic benefits to the local communities over there. Guys, I will say that we need to protect our environment very much. We should realize that we are not the only, you know, creature living on this earth. There are many other creatures, you know, living on this earth, and this environment around us is very important and very precious to all the living beings on this earth, and we need to conserve the forest and wildlife. I like to say that Indonesia is rich of natural beauty. Guys, I will say that the people living over there, the local communities, they very much realize the importance of environment, the importance of conserving wildlife, nature's natural beauty around us. So I was extremely awestruck after seeing this video, and I will say that it's the beauty of evolution plus biology which gave us so beautiful birds. So guys, I hope after seeing this video you all are very much familiar with the fact that Indonesia is full and rich of natural beauty, wildlife, and different species which are only found in Indonesia's Papua. 600 species of birds is really a large number, and each bird was extremely beautiful, just like a butterfly, colorful, so chirpy. So I just love this video, and I would like to say that keep suggesting me such amazing content. Suggest me on Instagram and Facebook. You can follow me over there. So guys, that's about it for today. This was my reaction on this amazing video. I hope you liked my today's reaction. If you liked it, then do press the like button and share my video and drop in a positive comment. So that's about it. Now see you in the next video with another interesting reaction. Till then, stay home, stay safe, be happy, be positive, keep smiling, and keep watching my channel. That's about it. Bye bye.